Okay, hi guys. Thanks for watching. So I want to wish you all a happy new year and hope you had some great celebrations going on, I'm sure. I certainly did. It was fantastic, and it's the 2nd of January today, and I'm ready to get going and promote my Live Good business. I know we're excited about 2024, which is going to be huge. 2023 was amazing, but you compare what's going to happen in 2024 is going to be amazing. Now, what I wanted to share with you guys today, I'm going to keep this video really short. I've put together a nice free giveaway. That's call it a lead magnet, something that you can give away to your prospects or people on social media, drive curiosity. Um, that's what it's designed for. It's a free download. 10 simple recipes that you could that you can use with our protein powder. This is Live Good protein powder. For those of you who don't know, we've got really the best and affordable um, whole organic protein powder. It's plant-based, and it's delicious. It really is. No added sugar, but it has a natural sweetness, so that you can, and it's very diverse. It's very it's very flexible. Okay, it can be put into pretty much anything. So I've got 10 recipes here that you can download, and they only take 10 minutes to prepare, and probably, most likely 99.9% of the time you'll probably have most of these ingredients that you can mix it with already in your kitchen. So really, really easy stuff. So things from breakfasts or snacks, or whatever, or desserts. So smoothies, protein bars, protein balls, pancakes, breakfast, oatmeal. You've also got a nice coffee, creamy coffee here that you can use with the organic coffee and the protein powder, with plant-based milk, or whatever your favorite milk, or whatever. But it's packed with these recipes, 10 recipes that you can use. It's a free download, and you can also use it to share out, or use it as a lead magnet, or whatever you want to do. You can upload the PDF to a funnel, get people to opt in to your capture page, and let them download on the next page. And do what you like with it. If you you don't need to edit it. It's a PDF. It's got no links or in there and anything like that. It does have credit to me, obviously, but there's no links, guys. But keep the credit. All right, just do me a favor, keep the credit. It's just my name here as the person who actually created this PDF. All right, it's only fair enough. But take it or leave it. But don't edit out my name, because I'm the original creator of this PDF. But you're welcome to share it out there. All right. So hope you like it. I use a lot of these. I use a lot of different recipes with the protein powder. It's very diverse. It's very flexible. Put it with anything pretty much. So enjoy, and you can get the download in the link below in the description of this video. So anyway, just to sort of call it I don't know, a New Year's gift or whatever, but just something, I'm just going to crank things up this year, and I'm going to be providing a lot of value. I've got other things in the work, PDF downloads, all kinds of things. Okay, I'm not talking about rebrandable stuff. I'm not doing kind of complicated stuff with funnels or anything like that. I'm just keeping things really simple, so they're duplicatable, and so that people don't need to get all tangled up into kind of complicated advanced stuff, which is crazy because it's not duplicatable. So I'm just creating really simple stuff that people can simply share out. I'm going to be creating graphics, shareable content, just so that you can crank up your social media. All right, it's really what it's for. So you can generate leads, and you can have more people to work with, and people to reach out and have a conversation with about your Live Good business. That's what it's all about. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. And get on the link below. You can download it. It's really simple. And have it on your desktop, and when people ask for information or whatever, and they want to download the PDF, that's your way in. Call it attraction marketing, call it what you like, but it's your way into that. Have that first step of getting into people's inboxes and start creating a conversation about Live Good. All right, hope it helps, guys. I'm going to be creating a lot more of these types of PDFs. I'm looking to create stuff for the super green, super reds, and the other stuff as well. And we've got more products coming on board, such as the essential oils, which is exciting. For under $50, you can get 6 of the best essential oils. We've got those gummies coming for the kids, healthy gummies that they've already tested out on kids, and they love, and they are loved. We've got what Ryan Goodkin has been talking about. We've got this detox product that's really healthy. But I'm looking forward to trying, and a lot of things. We've got a lot of things in the pipeline, guys. We've got a lot of exciting stuff coming in 2024. So anyway, Happy New Year to you all, and thanks for watching, and see you on the inside. Click on the link below, and if you want to join me in LiveGood, let's get you started in the right way. We've got the 7-day fast start guide. We've got a lot of stuff coming, and we've got my private group where I'm loading up with a lot of good stuff that you guys can use and share out. All right. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.